Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to try and recreate this candy look that Nicole did. Ooh, it's probably been like 3-4 years ago. I will try and link her video down below because she did an amazing job. So I will try and link that down below. But I'm going in with my Wet n Wild face paint palette. And I'm just picking up that blue shade and I'm just trying to create the drips. They were a lot harder than it looked. I did go in and erase these strips and then created bigger ones, but I cut that out. So I lost all of this footage, but what I did is I went in with that same blue face paint and I just filled in that entire area, and then I went in with a white eyeshadow and I applied that to the high points. So I put it on my forehead, underneath my eye, and then I put some on top of each of the drips for like a shadow effect. And now I'm going in with a dark blue shade and I'm putting that at the bottom of all of the drips, but keeping it on the blue face paint. And then I went in with that blue eyeshadow. Sorry, my voice cracked for a second. I used that same blue eyeshadow in my crease area of my eye. You can tell here I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I may sound tired. It's because it's 5 o'clock in the morning right now. I got up at 5 or a little bit before 5 because my son has a lot of missing assignments that he has to get done. And I woke him up because he said to wake me up in the morning. And he was too tired to get up, so he's gonna sleep until 6. My kids get up early because the bus comes early, so we're usually up like quite early in my house. So now what I'm doing is going in with my brown eyeshadow. This is a Morphe palette. It's a really old palette. I'm sure it's not even for sale anymore. But I'm just taking that brown shadow and putting it underneath all of the drips, and this is being applied to my bare skin, so not on the blue face paint. And then I go in with a blending brush and I kind of blend it out a little bit. You're trying to create shadows, so you don't want it to be very pigmented. You want it to be like a shadow. So here I go, I'm going in and kind of blending that out. And now I'm going to put some some sprinkles on my eyebrows. So don't do what I'm doing here. I went in with eyelash glue and applied it straight to my eyebrows and then went in with the sprinkles. I do not suggest this at all, you guys. It took forever to get that eyelash glue out of my eyebrows. So what I would do, I cannot talk. So what I would do is go in with a stick glue and then I would just block out both of the brows and then go in and put the falsie glue. What is this? The eyelash glue? There we go. On, and then do the sprinkles because it would be so much easier to get that off. So then what I did is I went in with a white face paint and I just did an outline at the bottom, like all around my face, of where I'm gonna put the black face paint later. And then I just put some blue on my eyes and then a little bit of pink on both sides, and now I'm I'm putting glitter. No, what? Billy, come on. I am putting sprinkles on this eye. If you're gonna do this, like, get smaller sprinkles. For some reason mine were like really, really long, and yeah. So now I'm just taking what is that? That's a liquid liner, and I'm trying to create like cracks in the skin. And you guys, I'm struggling. They don't look good at all. I did figure out at the very end that when you're making like the triangle look, So you want to go up with the first line and extend it out a little bit, and then come down a little bit, and then bring the second line back to your hairline, and then that will create a nice looking kind of crack. And then you don't want them to be perfect, kind of like, yeah. I had like one that I was like really proud of, and then the rest of them kind of look like horns or something. Yeah. So now I'm just going in with the black face paint and filling it all in. So here we go with the blood. I thought I had scab blood. I bought some last year and I was trying to use that, but it was all dried up. So I ended up having to go in with this liquid blood that I got from Walmart. It was only $1. It's not bad. It just doesn't, you can't really tell that it's there with when it's on the black. So that's why I kind of had it extended out onto the skin a little bit so you could actually see that it's blood. So now I'm going in with the gumballs. I'm just putting some more eyelash glue on, and I cut the gumballs in half and then I just stuck them to my face. The glue came off my face very easily. It was just the eyebrow hair that it was really hard to get the eyelash glue out of. I did get a little bit of that glue in my hair, so that was hard to get out, but yeah, just keep the eyelash glue away from any hair. So then after that, I'm just going in with some blood, putting it in the middle and around the side, like a gumball was just like smashed into your head, you know what I'm saying. So now I'm taking some purple, blue, green, and yellow eyeshadows, and I'm just putting that around the blackness, or the black paint that I have going on here. We're trying to create like a rotting effect. You can, so Nicole brought a bunch of colors down on her neck, and then she put some blood and sprinkles down there. This was like early in the morning, you guys. I was like filming this at like 4:30 in the morning, so I was not about to put this on my neck and take my kids to school looking like that. So I did not do that, but she did it and it looked 100 times better than mine. So if you have time and you want to, do it that way. So now I'm just taking some blue and purple and creating some veins on my face. And now I am going in with a hot pink liquid lip. This is from Anastasia. I got rid of like all of my Anastasia liquid lips, but I think this is the only one that I have. Possibly. I might have more, but I think this is the last one that I have. So then I just went in with some blue face paint and put it on my lips, and then it kind of turned it purple a little bit. And then I just took some white in the middle and blended that out. I did not have any eyelashes in my beauty room, so I just went in with my lash primer, and then I went in with a mascara. I do this when I want to have that fake lash look, you know, that fuller lash look, but I don't have any lashes, so that's what I did. I do have a bunch of lashes, I just don't have them in my beauty room, and I was too lazy to go get them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!